Hello everyone, this is Abilash, researcher from BNHS. Now I'm going to talk about the Bhagalpur bird atlas two phases. So, what is the bird atlas? Bird atlas is the scientific tool to study the bird life in the particular region. It will records distribution, abundance, seasonal patterns, and long-term changes of the birds. It will work on based on the quick surveys and the citizen science help. Base helps for the bursting for the conservation and policy planning. So background of the Bhagalpur Bird Atlas is bird ringing and monitoring station and Bhagalpur Forest Division and BNHS have jointly initiated this project with the help of the local birders and then local birders and volunteers. Bhagalpur Bird Atlas is the kind of it is the first kind in the Bihar. Bhagalpur Bird Atlas is following the successful atlas like Coimbatore City Bird Atlas and Kerala Bird Atlas. Aim of the project is to understand the overall distribution and abundance of the birds, uh, to understand the seasonal changes of the birds in the city, to understand the movement pattern of the birds in the particular city and the particular region. And then survey design is Bhagalpur city have gridded and divided into 14 grids and then 3.3 square kilometer grids. Each grid subdivided into 9 subcells, 1.1 square kilometer subcells. 3 subcells were particularly selected for the survey and then survey protocol. And sample should be 10 3 randomly selected subcells. Survey we have did it in 3 randomly selected subcells. Each team have 2 minimum birders, maximum 5 birders, and then each subcell have 4 15 minutes of checklists. First you see 2 checklist, second minute 2 checklist. We didn't replicate the same route for the different checklist. The distance of the checklist will be 250 meters to 900 meters. And then in each checklist, subcell number, list number, team number, name of the observers, locality, and then habitat and other comments I have mentioned. After completing the checklist, the list will be shared to the co-birders and the particular Bhagalpur bird atlas bird ID, and then team have attempted for cover the maximum habitat of the particular subcell surveyed until 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock a.m. And then tools we have used to eBird and then Android for locus grid, locus map, and then info for Google Maps, and then capacity building and meetings. Before the survey, we have conducted the two intro meetings, two hands-on trainings, and one virtual meeting for addressing the challenges. Post-review meeting after completing the first phase. Uh, so for first phase 2024, 105 species have reported, 156 eBird checklist have generated. For second species the survey this year, 103 species have recorded, 84 checklist have generated, and then species richness grid basis. So first phase, this 9 grid number is have highest number of the species have recorded, around 60 species have recorded, but this year the same grid have recorded least number of the species, around 30 number of the 30 different species only. We are searching for, we are checking the long term survey will tell why its drastic change is happened. And then species uh, frequency for a first phase and frequency in the second phase. Both of the phases, common main is the most frequently reported species. And then unusual findings, like say, even though we have did it in two seasons only in a non-migratory season, but we have got a Siberian stone chat, migratory species, and bond shallow. And then we have got the 4 near threatened species, overlapping lesser resident Asian woolly graded and falcon, and then one endangered species, Indian skimmer breeding pair nearby Ganga. So way forward is focusing on the migratory season. We have did the only two non-migratory season, but we are more into we are focused for a migratory season. Expand the citizens, volunteers, students for a survey, and then invite the bird expert and birders from the nearby states for explore this place. to do this Bhagalpur borders, to support the Bhagalpur borders and develop the baseline report for the Bhagalpur city. Uh, and these are the people have participated in the Bhagalpur Border Plus. And then right now I'm going to thank you for everyone who have participated and then helped for us making tour service possible. Uh, and then thank you so much.